Hi guys, it's Mansoor here from Tekmatrix Tech and I welcome you to the channel. Guys, I provide web design, SEO and digital marketing solutions. So in this video guys, we will talk about ways of email marketing, the platform where we can use and do email marketings and completely free. So as there are many platforms like MailChimp and other platforms, but the problem is that when we shoot emails from those platforms, no, that it's not mandatory that it will go to the main or primary folder. In many cases, it goes to the spam folder. So what we do, guys, we think that we are working hard, but we are not getting rewarded for that. So I'll talk about few platforms. We can use it completely free, but bulk emails means you can do 200 to 3 or 400 emails per day, but not more than that. So it's completely free, guys. So the first platform that we have is a Gmail. You can use Gmail to send 50 emails per day. So can you see I'm already logged into one of my Gmail accounts, and what you will do that just you need to get an extension for this. So can you see, guys, come to the google.com and just enter this YAMM extension Chrome. So once you just type this, you will get this icon, the first option. Can you see that? Just click on this. You need to install this plugin, by extension to your Gmail account. Once you just click on this, this will come install now. Can you see I have already installed this plugin? So this extension, that's why it's showing to uninstall. So I'm not going to uninstall it right now. You just install it and use it for your daily uses, for your business purpose. Now once you are ready with this, once you have installed it, come to the Gmail account and make a template or a compose email. You are logged into your Gmail, just compose. Just you can click on compose and just write down things that you want to send. Just make a template for this, give a signature out here and just save it. Just cut it from here, it will be saved to the draft. All right, so what we did, we just installed a extension, then we kept our material, that our things, template and all in the draft section. After that we will come to the this icon. Can you see like a dot options is there? Just click on this and click on sheets. So interface like this will be coming. Click on blank sheet. So once you have a sheet like this, you need to just copy and paste or just type the email IDs you want to send email to. So I have one already ready for you. I'll show you. So for demo purpose, I have just entered only 2 email IDs out here. Just you can type out or paste 50 emails out here. Once you're ready with this, just click on this extension. For example, just I'm typing the email IDs out here for you at gmail.com. I'm typing another email IDs for a demo purpose. So in this way, you can enter 50 emails. Now once you're ready with this email, you just click on extension and this will give you option yet another mail merge. After that, click on start mail merge, this option. Now the process will begin and the interface is coming where you can send your emails. Now can you see that the interface is already loading so that we can send our emails out here. So guys, you can use from this one Gmail account, you can send 50 emails only per day. So what you can do that, you can use 2 or 3 email accounts, Gmail accounts, multiple Gmail accounts to send 200, 300 or 150 emails per day as per your requirement, guys. So this is the one platform I'm talking about. Once we are done with the Gmail, we will go for another platform as well. Now can you see that my name is coming, and from here you will choose the draft or the the template that you have just kept ready for you. Just select that and send email from this. So all the emails sending this way will be going to the primary folder of the person you want to send it to. So this way you can use Gmail for a bulk email. The another platform that I'm talking about is you can use Yahoo and AOL.com. So for this purpose, I'll log into my Yahoo and AOL. Just can you see that I'm already logged into my AOL accounts and already logged into Yahoo as well. So what you can do for this Yahoo, these two platforms are not generally known for. There are very least people who knows you can do bulk emails. But what you can do is that just click on email, and when you compose your email, what you can do, guys, just enter your own email ID to the to section. Just enter your ID out here, and to the BCC section, just click on BCC. You can put multiple email IDs of the recipients. So to the BCC section, just give 20, 30 or 50 email IDs, and give the body just what you want to send it. Write the message out here and click on send. Can you see send options out here? So this way, guys, by putting like your own email ID to the to section and multiple email IDs at the BCC section, you can send emails to 50 or 40 or 100 persons using AOL.com. Same way you can use Yahoo for yourself. So these are the three platforms, guys. Gmail, you can use AOL.com, and you can use Yahoo to send bulk emails. So at least you won't be able to send thousands or more than that, but at least you can send it 200, 300 or 400 emails per day using these platforms, and you can rest assured that all the emails are going to the primary folders. So guys, I believe you liked the video, and in case if you liked it, just hit the subscribe button, like the video, and definitely just comment below the video. Just give your comments like how was my video, and so that I can get a support motivation from your end, and I can come up with the other videos for you. So thanks for watching the video, guys.